like it's over, girl. Get over it. That look is past. It's gone. Just hang it up. Hi everybody, welcome to my home. Come on in and take a seat, okay? Today we're gonna be doing a vibrant front look using our Amrezy palette. As you can see, it's so pretty. It has everything you need to create a full glam look. Our neon pigment stack. This is from Lust and Loyalty Cosmetics. My foundation, I'm gonna be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. It's literally my favorite. I use it every day religiously. So my hair is wrapped. I don't know how you guys do your makeup with your hair down. I just can't do it. So it gets in my way. Shape and Shade Brow Tint. It's a marker. I use this religiously. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna use my favorite concealer, which is the MAC 24 Hour. This is really, really good. You can use it for anything whatsoever. Now I'm just gonna take this fluffy blending brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to blend that concealer in really, really good. Shadow brush by MAC, the 224. It's the only thing that I can use for eyeshadow. I'm gonna use New Yorker, this color, as a base. No, you know what? I should use OG and then go into New Yorker. So let's do that. We're gonna use the OG. So now we are going to go in with 1988, picking up that crease, and I kind of want to elongate the color, so you want to kind of bring it out like that, because when we cut the crease, you want to make sure that dimension lasts all the way through. Now I'm going to use the BK Black, and that's just going to give us a little bit more depth, especially in that wing. I'm just going to apply that right up under the brown. Okay, now we're done with the palette. I'm going to use my neon green pigment. Dip Down MAC eyeliner, and I'm simply going to create a little, just a little eyeliner. Okay, so we're using the Dragon pigment. In case anybody wants to know the name, it's Dragon. It's so good. Look at how she just melts on the eye. Oh my gosh. A makeup wipe just to clean up. To my favorite part, which is skin. I'm gonna use MAC's Moisture Infusion Primer. This is really, really good. If your skin is normal or a combination, doesn't matter. Okay, we're gonna use MAC's Prep and Prime Color Correcting in the Peach Luster. And this is just going to color correct my mustache, my under eye. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used earlier to blend. Now we're gonna get into this I was about to say Maybelline NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is the best foundation that is affordable on the market. I mean, once I started using it, I haven't stopped. And I love high-end foundations. However, if you want something that you can use on a daily basis when you're not really going anywhere special, use your traditional banana powder just for under eye. Powder that up, setting. Transitional OG color. We're gonna go back under our eyes with that shade because your eye's never done until you're under. Eyeshadow is applied. Mix it in with the pigment, that green pigment. It's not gonna be as vibrant, but I just want to put some of that down here. So we're gonna dust away that powder. We don't want to bake too long. Now we're gonna contour using black opal sticks. Dang, I know I have mascara. Okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Swiss Chocolate by MAC. I like to deepen the contour with this. Right at the bottom. MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner. This is a everyday color. Now we're gonna go in with our Myth Lip Gloss. It's one of my favorite colors for a natural nude. Okay, to finish this look, I'm going to use a cream color base by MAC Cosmetics, and the color is bronze. Okay, so I'm going to take my hair down. Oh, my hair looks like it's jet black, but it's really not, guys. Oh, I feel cute. I can barely see right now. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. We're back with another one. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your comments, concerns. Leave a comment down below because I had a great time doing it with you guys. Till next time, later.